What's up, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you this method on how to make money on YouTube without making any videos, I just want to tell you this. Check in the description below. I have some free giveaways that you can download now for free. And these giveaways will help you on your journey to making money online. I also have other informative information down in the description below. And I also have opportunity where you can win some free money. So go ahead and check in the description below and check out those things. Now, please watch this video to the very end, because this is a brand new method that you want to check out and that you probably want to implement, because it's a new trend that's popping up using this method. So please watch this video to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money on YouTube without making any videos. Let's get it! I'm on YouTube and I'm at this channel. It's called The Rankings. And what this channel does, they rank different categories. They show the rankings of different categories in their videos. So it says here, top 15 most subscribed YouTube channels from 2011 to 2018. So let's take a look here so you can understand how they make their videos. Alright, so as you can see, they are showing the most subscribed YouTube channels, and as you can see, it's like in a graph form, and it's moving throughout as the subscribers are accumulating for each channel. It shows a graph that, you know, it's getting larger or longer and longer and longer, and others are not getting that long because they're not getting that many YouTube subscribers. So for some reason, people like looking at this. It is very unique, and it is kind of interesting. I've been checking it out just to find out how this works, and you know, to find out some information. They talk about other things too, you know, like countries, sports, so different categories. So this is a very new technique, a new method that it's starting right now. So they haven't been around for maybe 5 or 6 months, and they probably have about, let's check and see, let's go to their channel. As you can see, let's see, look at that, they don't even have that many videos. So okay, it says here that they've been making videos since last year, but they haven't made that many videos. So what we're going to do is make a video similar to this, so we can, you know, hop on this trend before it gets too saturated. So the next step, I'm going to show you how to make this type of video. I'm on the internet, and I'm at the next step, and I went to this website called, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce it right, but Flourish, Flourish. And we're going to use this website to make a similar video that the rankings video has produced. So you can just come here, sign up. It's free to sign up. And as you can see right here, you can make your own bar chart race. So that's what they call them, a bar chart race. So it's kind of like a race showing different, like this one, different countries throughout the years have showing the population as it grows. So it's kind of like they're doing it in a racing form, just like the rankings video. So you can make your own. Let's click right here. So you see how that's moving. And right here, how do you use this template? So it shows you everything how you use the template. So what you're going to be doing is putting the information in the Excel sheet, and it's going to be part of the race. So you can see this going, so you can see the race going on between all the competitors. So let's go ahead and scroll over here and look at some more examples. So it doesn't have to be in that form. It can be in any type of form. As another network chart. There's one you can use with elections. So you can use it. You can use different type of charts to make your video. So now you're probably wondering, how can we do this if we're going to use this site to actually make the bar chart race? What you can do, you can use a screen recorder. So once you make your bar chart race, you just then screen record your bar chart race and then save that to your computer and upload that to your channel. So if you want to know more about this, just leave a comment down below. I'll answer any question that you have. And if you want to get started on this, just go to this website here, Flourish.com. All right, now you know the new method you can start using right now to make money on YouTube without creating any videos. So go ahead and follow those steps and implement this new method and start making this money. Now, thank you for watching this video to this point. I have a proposition for you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, 2 people with free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos is leading up to my 500 subscriber video. Currently, I'm at 319. I have a little ways to go, but I believe I can get there with you guys' help. So once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick 2 comments and reward the first one with $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card, and the second one with $10 PayPal money. So go ahead and leave that comment down below and subscribe if you're new. Now that's all I have for this video. Again, please smash that like button and drop a comment down below, and please share this on social media everywhere, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Alright, that's it. I'm done. I'm finished. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my most recommended video right here, right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch that video. Peace.